The investigation also pointed to a personal grudge and a business-related conflict as possible motives behind the killing. Based on the evidence gathered, on July 13, 2026 at 3:30 p.m., the QCPD formally filed complaints for 2 counts of murder under Article 248 of the RPC, as well as the violation of Republic Act 11235, otherwise known as the Motorcycle Crime Prevention Act, before the Quezon City Prosecutor's Office. The complaints were filed against 6 identified suspects, namely alias Uno, alias Besa, alias Boy, alias Prapa, alias Bore, and alias Paho. The filing of these criminal complaints marks a significant milestone in our efforts to secure justice for the victims. While this is a major development, our operations remain ongoing to locate, arrest, and ensure successful prosecution of all those responsible. Under my leadership, the QCPD remains committed to a thorough, impartial, and evidence-based investigation, and we assure the public that we will continue to pursue every available lead until justice is fully served.